forging out the world's craziest experiments, and you won't believe the crazy experiment at the end. Starting with K3F. Guys, it's some kind of crazy experiment. Wait a minute. What is happening? Yo, that is crazy. Oh my God. Imagine if you had like a sword.
What? Look how blue that is. Okay, the bicycle wheel.
Bicycle wheel. Why does she sound like a chipmunk? All right, we spin the bicycle wheel. Spacecraft. Wait, what? Guys, she's lost it. They've got handlebars.
Now I put it upside down. Watch.
Upside down. Oh, what the?
I put it upside down.
What? Physics. Battery on battery in a glass cup. What? Wait, is this how hurricanes are made? Guys, is this literally how hurricanes are made in the water? Is someone have giant batteries out there and they're just making hurricanes? No, no, no. Don't waste regular milk and chocolate milk, man. Oh, geez. What a waste. Wait, they don't mix? What? Chemistry. Okay, what are we doing here? We're filling up this hole with...
Oh!
What the? Wait, is it breaking? Wait a minute. That's aluminum.
Wait, why is aluminum rising?
What the? Oh, my God. Bro, it's breaking the whole thing. Okay, we lit a fire or a match. What? What the?
Now, watch what happens when I drop in this heavy metal nut.
Okay.
It sinks right down to the bottom.
Yep.
But when I drop in this scrape, which isn't quite as dense, it
Oh.
sinks down through the top two layers and sits on top of the
It
syrup.
sits on top of
this
the-
top slowly sinks down through the oil and sits
Yep.
on the water. And this piece
Oh.
of sponge floats on the top. Pretty cool, huh? They've
That
all
is
got
cool.
different densities. Because this syrup is denser than the water, it sinks to the bottom. Then pour in some cooking oil and leave
Wow.
it to settle.
It's magic.
Magic. Oh, what the? Hey, dude. Ew, what is that? Oh, bro, we ruined his watch. See how dirty his watch got there? Look at that thing. Look at that. Impressive experiment. It's just water in water. Is this what's water? It's gonna be crazy. Ah! Wait, what? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. You know we got a crazy experiment if we got one of these big beakers, guys. A Pyrex beaker. That's what they used to have in the science labs. We got aluminum going in there. Bro, we've got a lot of stuff going in here that I don't know what it does, but be careful. Don't breathe that. Oh, bro, this looks straight out of a witch's laboratory. All right, we got a science experiment in science class. Oh, that did not go. Dude, that soaked that kid. The beauty of sodium acetate crystallization.
Yo! She's freezing her hand!
Wait, hold up. Does that hurt? Oh, no. This is not good, guys. Did she just freeze her hand inside the cup?
Let's make a green flame.
A green
Every
flame?
substance has a different flame color when we burn it.
Okay.
To make a green flame, we need boric acid and
Ooh!
methanol. Now let's do it a little bit bigger.
Oh, my God. What are we doing here? We're about to burn a snail? Oh, no. We're listening to the snail eat. He's eating right now. What the? Is it a skateboard? A skateboard sword. Oh my. He's doing it. Bruh. That is crazy. Is it a lung? What is this? Oh, it is. What? Why does he just have this on his table? This is a demonstration of static electricity. If you get static electricity near your computer when you're building it, it can actually break your computer. So be careful. Let's see what he does here. Oh, that's cool. That is science. That is a science experiment I've ever seen one. That is so cool.
I put an agar plate
Agar plate under a hand dryer. Why would there be bacteria in a hand dryer? That doesn't make any sense.
That's me.
Okay, now she's doing two studies. One with no hand dryer, one with hand.
The hand dryer agar shows so many different kinds of bacteria and a fungus too. The one from the air grew nothing.
Oh
no
my.
bacteria at all. And
Okay.
this is why I do not use hand dryers.
That is disgusting.
This candy.
Candy.
Is about to get wrecked.
Wrecked.
Potassium chloride is a super strong
Potassium
oxidizer.
chloride.
When we melt it, it's able to oxidize and burn almost anything organic.
Oh my. Can you put anything in there? A body?
Light a floating candle, then use a clear cup to
Yep.
completely submerge it. It looks
Oh.
like the candle is underwater. However, thanks to the air in the cup, the candle is protected and...
What? Magnet, paper, magnet, a nail, a battery. What are we doing here? What the heck kind of experiment? And a copper wire that connects. What? That works? Okay, vinegar into a bottle. Funnel some baking soda into the balloon. Uh-huh. Oh. Carbon dioxide is a powerful gas. The kids.
Here's what happens when you put butane in a bottle
Butane?
of Coke.
Okay, that's
it
what you use for
actually
light.
boils, so when you turn it upside down, a ton of gas gets
Wait,
created,
what?
and it turns into a rocket. Check this out.
Butane is a gas.
Oh my god!
Physics. Ruler dropped with the ball. Physics. Paper. Oh. Wait, what? Wow, how is that little paper stopping it? That doesn't make no sense. It's a race. Oh, snap. But wait. Oh, this one's cheating. It's not going around the circle. Bro, it didn't go around the circle. Bro, wait, what? They didn't notice. They didn't notice. Color under monochromatic light. Oh, they're coloring. Wait, what? Dude, that is so confusing. Hydrogen. Aluminum foil with a drain cleaner.
Hydrogen is also lighter than the air, so it flies just like helium.
What? All this just seems very crazy.
I think the Tazo brand works best for this activity. Once the tea bags are empty, use a permanent marker to draw ghost faces on them. Next, carefully stand them up, light the tops on fire, and watch what happens.
I think Tazos are very expensive, no?
Oh.
Chemistry. All right, let's see what we're doing. This a black liquid into a clear liquid. Wait, why is it still clear? What?
Wait, how?
Cool science experiment. All you need is a dandelion and a glass of water. What? What does that do? What does that even do? I'm so confused. What just happened? Why would you ever want to do this? That just seems like a mess. CuSO4 and 5H2O. All right. And then regular H2O. You stir it. And then what are those things in there? Bro, we're adding more stuff. Bro, it's crazy how science works, man. Glowing orange.
Yes, it does. Let me tell you how it's done.
What
First,
is
you
it?
need to grab one of those easy peelers. They usually
Oh, a sparkler.
That makes it quite easy to put the sparkler inside the fruit.
Okay.
Without any juice dripping out. Then you need to go outside when it's getting dark. Or
Uh-huh.
just find a dark corner in your home, but make sure the room is ventilated. Then you use a lighter to light the sparkler. When sparkler
Whoa!
it doesn't stop burning.
Okay, that's pretty cool. Puby, your kids are sick yet again, so you have to teach them the value of hand soap.
Whoa.
Dude, that is crazy. Takis in stomach acid. Bro, I never eat Takis. Bro, after an hour, it's still all this chunky gunk. Oh, God. One, defy gravity? All right, let's see. How do we defy gravity? We put into a stick, grab it, a hammer. Oh, wait, the apple's going up. Oh, why? That's cool. Rubber into liquid nitrogen. Okay. Room temperature rubber.
What?
It was hard now. You're a mom who was a science nerd in school, and this kid just said, science time! Food coloring popcorn, 2 cups of water, 2 teaspoons of baking soda. All right. Oh my gosh, look at this. Whoa!